Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for gold for Monday, April 8th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. A candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. The candle we're analysing here is the second last candle. That final candle hasn't fully developed yet and will close tomorrow, so we can't analyse that at the moment. But here we have a candle that, even though it's made a higher high and a higher low, we have a black body candle, and that suggests that the sellers have found some momentum. Whereas for the previous day's trading, we saw the buyers find a decent amount of upside momentum by making a very large amount of net bullish progress. Today the sellers have made net bearish progress as opposed to the buyers the previous trading day, and it does suggest there is a possibility of this market now changing trend. We have seen the buyers lose control. The previous day's trading, they were strongly committed, they had very strong control of this market, and today a loss of control with the sellers taking control of this market. Not strong control, but enough for the potential for a change of trend. We have, however, seen the sellers lose some commitment, as evidenced by this shadow. So as the market's testing down now within this zone that is extending down to the 1559 level, we can see the shadows on these candles here down within this region from 1577 down to 1523. We've seen some previous very strong upside price rejection. So there is a possibility that we may not see any follow through based on that, even though we do have a loss of control by the buyers. So let's be aware of that there is still potential for this market to bounce from this area based on what the market's done in the recent past. The 1577 level, however, has potential to hold as resistance for this market if we do rally up through there, and we can see that it was previously support and resistance in the recent past here. In terms of the Fibonacci Extension, we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up. And here for the previous day's trading, we saw the market close in a bullish manner up above the 100%. It suggested the market was destined to trade to higher levels. We had the 161.8% at a potential target, just up above the 1600 round number. Today we've seen price rejection from that 100% level, and that does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend. So we should be looking for a lower high and a lower low. So it makes the low of the current candle very important. In terms of the Fibonacci Retracement, previous day's trading, we saw the market trade in a bullish manner up above the 50% level, didn't trade to the 61.8%. Did suggest a possibility of the market testing up to that level. We have seen the highs extended today, but a lack of strength from the buyers, suggesting there is a possibility of a change of trend, but no interaction today with any of the Fibonacci levels higher up, no test to the 61.8% level. In terms of the Ichimoku technique, we do have a bearish market in the long-term time frame by trading down below the cloud. The bias is to the downside, so we do need to be aware of that. So if we do see sellers coming in and the market making a lower high and a lower low, there is potential for the market to trade to lower levels. But let's bear in mind this very strong support area that the market is now trading in, which basically extends from 1577 all the way down to 1523. So we might not see this market selling off in a hurry. In the recent past, we saw the market test to within this yellow highlighted zone and be rejected from there with this small body candle and then a change of trend. And that's a likely scenario if we do see the market change trend to the downside once again. In terms of the other Ichimoku indicators, the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which is the green line and the pink line, the market is just trading down below there, so technically bearish in the medium and fast term timeframes. So a change of sentiment from the previous day, it does suggest that there is potential for the market to now change trend, but this market is trading so close to both of those indicators that we pretty much have a neutral market in the medium and short term timeframes. With the sellers taking control of this market, it does suggest that the market may trade lower, but it has been only weak control, and we do need to take that into consideration. But certainly the lack of strength from the buyers suggests that there is potential for the market to trade lower. A target would be down around the top of this level of this zone of resistance around 1559.